Welcome back. So, how should you fix roofing sheets to steelwork? You could drill a hole through both sheeting and steel, push a bolt through and attach a nut on the back, or you could use a fixing from our self-drilling screw range. Traditional methods are fiddly, time-consuming and often don't last very long. So to easily achieve a rapid, watertight and long-lasting fix, you should be using our self-drilling screws. They're available with two different drill tips depending on the total thickness of the steel that you need to drill. If it's up to 5mm thick, use a light section screw. And if it's up to 12mm thick, use a heavy section screw. The 110-degree hardened tip is designed to penetrate through the steel with as little effort as possible, creating a clean hole for self-tapping thread to work. Light section screws have a coarse, self-tapping thread, and heavy section screws have a fine metric self-tapping thread, which also have either a V-fluted shank or a torque relieving slot to assist the tapping process. To maintain a watertight seal with a roofing sheet or any other application, a fixing with an EPDM washer should be used. They compress during installation so water can't seep into the threads of the fixing. You shouldn't use a fixing without an EPDM washer if the screw is exposed to rain and other corrosives, as rusty streaking will appear quickly and ruin the aesthetics of the application. We have a variety of fixings available with or without our 16 or 19mm washers, but they are available separately in bags of 100 if required. The hex head gives a secure fitment for tools and socket drivers. 4.2mm screws have a 1/4 inch head, 4.8 and 5.5mm screws have an 8mm or 5/16 head. For the fastest fix, use a Tech screw gun or combi drill that spins between 1500 and 2500 RPM. Combi drills should be used alongside a socket adapter, but they tend to spin slower than Tech screw guns, so more time and effort is needed when drilling. As the tip drills through the steel, it removes any debris from in and around the hole. It then starts the tapping process until the fixed washer clamps to the application's surface. We offer our screws with either a bright zinc plating or, for increased corrosion resistance, exterior plating with over 1,000 hours salt spray testing. But if a more weatherproof and discreet finish is required, you can use one of our hex cover caps, available in a variety of colours to match either your cladding or roofing sheets. In addition to bright zinc and exterior plating, we now have a range of stainless steel bimetallic screws. They're engineered by fusing two materials together using state-of-the-art technology to ensure a strong, reliable and long-lasting product. They combine the ultimate corrosion resistance of A2 stainless steel with the exceptional drilling performance of a hardened carbon steel drill tip, making them suitable in extreme conditions such as coastal and industrial areas. To guarantee a secure fixing, it's also important to select a screw with the correct length. So, depending on the type of application, thickness of steel, and whether or not there is any insulation between the two, ensure that the drill tip has passed through the supporting steel. For a full breakdown on selecting the right screw for your application, or if you're fixing composite roofing panels to steel, please see our website, where you'll be able to find further technical info on this range and other TIMco products. Thanks for watching and see you next week.